Hello, welcome to Try Chinese Goodies. I'm Anna. Today I'll be cooking beef and broccoli stir fry. This recipe is so easy and quick to cook at home. In less than 15 minutes you have a tasty, delicious and healthy dinner on the table. And the best is, it tastes better than takeout. Let's get started. Hack the beef against the grain. The grain is the length of the steak. You can refer to my other video how to tender beef in the top right corner. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. Baking soda. 4 teaspoons cornstarch. 4 teaspoons cooking wine. Mix them well before adding the oil so that the beef can absorb the sauce well. 2 teaspoons oil. The oil can prevent the beef from sticking together when frying. Cut the broccoli into small pieces. Then wash and drain, set aside. 5 cloves of chopped garlic. Preheat the oil over medium-high heat. Add half portion of chopped garlic. Then add broccoli. Stir fry broccoli to coat with garlic and oil for 1 minute. Add water, then cover the pot for 1 to 2 minutes. If you want it to be softer, keep it longer. Stir fry for another 1 minute or until the water has evaporated. Remove them to a plate. Preheat the oil over medium-high heat. Add the beef to the pan and spread them over the pan. Make sure the beef do not overlap so that you can fry them well, not steam. Turn it when the bottom is golden brown, then you can see how the beef is nicely seared. Add the rest of chopped garlic and stir fry for 1 minute. Add broccoli and half cup of water. Add oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, soy sauce, toss them well, then add sesame oil to give additional flavor. Toss them well. Look at that, it looks so delicious. If you like my video, please press like and leave a comment. I will appreciate. Have a nice day.